Hey guys, so it's really hot here again, so I brought these shoes in the shower with me again. They absolutely love it. As long as I stay in here with them and keep them company, they're okay. So, hey babies, it's so beautiful, isn't it? Yeah. This way, put it up your nose. See? Buddy is just in love. It's like he goes into full meditation mode. Yeah, he loves it. Yeah? Oh, it's so nice. Hey. Beautiful, isn't it? Yeah. Buddy loves it. Beautiful. Yeah. It's so beautiful. Hey. Thank you. You're so relaxed. He's so relaxed. He doesn't even know I'm touching his tail. Oh. Hi, baby. What is getting away from my phone? I don't even know if they can see you. Yeah? Hey! It's so beautiful. So guys, thanks for joining us again. That's us in the shower. So... But he likes it and run with water on his back. we've had a bit of a dry.